we're flying Mark Wahlberg, it's all about him and making sure that we get him there as safely as possible. And that was all based on the Honeywell products. My name's Randall Parrott. I'm Mark Wahlberg's chief pilot. We operate a Global Express classic version. We don't particularly operate in just one area. We're pretty much on a global level, and it changes from one geographical region to another, depending on where he's filming.
The job is never the same. There's a different destination the airplane might be going to, and on my end as a director of maintenance, reliability of the aircraft is very important. So having the recent Honeywell systems installed in the airplane gives us that confidence that the airplane will get to its destination.
So Mark, his decisions are always based on what's best for his company. So it was important to pick a system that we could make sure that we had the kind of coverage we needed and it was going to be cost effective. So we opted for the Primus Elite package, which includes the smart runway, the smart landing, and the XM weather.
It's provided additional safety factors to the flight crew, and that adds a lot of value to the airplane.
Honeywell's synthetic vision is a great tool. I mean, it's like looking at an airport in perfect, pristine conditions in daylight. It gives you a lot of situational awareness, which is vital when you don't have a direct line of sight. You're operating in clouds, you're operating at night.
We installed the Ka-band system, and it definitely has provided connectivity that we did not have before. We wanted to provide Mark productive time through his entire flight, and the JetWave system has definitely provided that.
So you're able to do almost everything, from FaceTime calls to answering emails, loading up files, even downloading movies or watching, live TV.
By viewing those connection details, you'll be able to look at the aircraft, all the components installed, and make sure they're working correctly.
The Honeywell Forge dashboard gives us the ability to look at the airplane and the components installed in the airplane to make sure everything's working correctly, what's happening in way of number of devices connected, and gives us the ability to optimize data usage to give Mark the best experience in the cabin. We felt it was important with the hardware that's being installed that we have support from the same company that's providing the hardware. Honeywell's maintenance service plan enables some predictability of the expenses related to avionics, provided worldwide, which makes a huge difference with the amount of international flights we've had.
So the Honeywell Primus Elite and the Forge system upgrades has been a great asset to our operation. For me personally, I know now that I have a system that is very reliable and future-proof.
What I love about the job is working with Mark Wahlberg's flight crew and the whole team and supporting Mark in reaching any destination he needs around the world.
Being a pilot is a really rewarding career. It's always changing and it's always different. You're always meeting new people and interacting with different vendors and different companies. And interacting with Honeywell has been a great experience. They're there to support us and to make sure that we're using their equipment to the best of our abilities.